how do you see the conservation of your works? I mean about your videos, your actions, performances, and your installations.
Actually, until now, I haven't really been thinking much about conservation, about my work. Because, for example, my installation, they were often discarded and then reinstalled, and I did a lot of, in a way, recycling the installation. So I didn't have many installation pieces in collection, and also I've been using the material again for different installation. So since I also see the Yvon Lambert collection here, and I'm thinking more about it, and also meeting with you, it really reminds me of restoration issue. How should I really restore my installations and performative pieces? So, especially most of the installations are made out of fabric. It's also very fragile, and also it can be also rotten. It can be also destroyed with the humidity and all this. So I think I would really need somebody who can consult and who can also give advice and get something more professional kind of restoration.